Yo guys, it's your boy Jason here, back with another shoe video, and this one is not only different, but this might be one of the craziest shoe unboxings I have ever done on the channel, because I don't know if I've ever unboxed this many shoes before. Today we have 3 different Jordans to try out and unbox, and before I get those up here, I just want to say, if you're wondering about this, the reason I have a band-aid on my face is because I had a minor accident yesterday where I fell and kind of scraped my face on concrete. Not fun, but I'll be fine. It's on the up and up. So, the first shoe I'm going to bring up here is an Air Jordan 4 Retro. Then, we got the Air Jordan 1 Turbo Green. And last but not least, we got the Air Jordan 1 Mid in pure platinum white. So these are the 3 shoes we're going to start out with. I'm actually going to reorder these because I've already unboxed these and taken a look at them and picked my favorites, and I like these and these better than this. So we're gonna put this in the middle. This is my favorite of all time, so we're gonna save that for last. I don't know why I stacked it up this way. I should have put the one I'm doing first on the top. Anyway, short disclaimer before we get into the unboxing. These are all sent to me by companies that sent me these to like feature and review on the channel. I was not paid by any of the companies, but getting free shoes, I guess, is just one of the perks of being a YouTuber. So yeah, keep that in mind, but these are, again, my honest opinions on these shoes. So we're gonna pop this box open, and I actually saw these shoes online before I even knew I was gonna get sent these. I saw them and I was like, holy crap, those are some clean shoes, and that's surprising for me because I don't usually like colorful shoes. I'm definitely not a fan of like shoes with a whole bunch of different colors like jumbled together. These are like two-tone. But I still think these are really nice, really clean, minimal shoes. I'm a pretty big fan of like the original Air Jordan 1 Retro design. I guess it's kind of hypocritical of me to say because this and the other Air Jordan 1 Retros are actually my first Jordans for me to ever own. But just like me seeing them on other people and celebrities or whatever, these are one of my favorite high top shoes, I guess you could say. So as you see on here, we got the leatherish material on the outside that half of it is green and half is white. It's a really nice combination, I think. It contrasts nicely, and I like the turquoise color. I think it's a really nice color choice. It's not like an ugly choice of color because, you know, there's like a bazillion Jordans, a bazillion different colorways. So I think this is one of the nicer ones. And yeah, actually, I did, like I said, open all these and look at them before filming this video. So that's why there's these green laces on here. This shoe actually came with these white laces, like laced up halfway on here, and I'm over here wondering, like, why would you put white laces on a shoe that the main color of is green? The green obviously goes better with the rest of the shoe than the white laces, so I don't even know why they gave you white laces, but I guess if you buy these for yourself, you get white laces for your triple white Ultra Boost that the laces got dirty on or something, you know, extras. So yeah, these are the first shoe, and these are really nice. I'm gonna throw these back into the box. All right, so the next guys right here, these are Air Jordan 4 Retros, and I'm gonna be completely honest, I liked both of the other shoes better than these ones right here, but this is an unboxing video, right? We gotta unbox all of them. So I'm gonna set that right there. And there it is. I was working with this company, it's Kixie. I've worked with Kixie before on the channel. I was looking at the shoes, they sent me pictures. Actually, first they sent me like these really ugly shoes, like everyone's gonna hate me for this, but Balenci's are incredibly ugly shoes, all of like, but like they sent me, so I told them I didn't want those, and then I asked them to send me, you know, other shoes that they wanted me to review, and they sent me these. They looked nice in the pictures. Whatever, they're okay, they're decent, I'm not hating on these. Anyway, these, there's less in the box. You don't get like replacement laces or anything. Those have a little bit of paperwork in the bottom for like taking care of your shoes or something. These don't. These are less stacked. These are pretty clean shoes as well, I guess. If this is something you're into, I'm not really into red as a color. Maybe that's it. I'm also not into this bubble thing. But anyway, yeah, this is what these guys look like right here. And yeah, I'm gonna stick those back in the box. Moving on. All right, so this guy right here is my favorite shoe out of all 3 of the guys that I talked about today. I'm going to be talking about. This is the Air Jordan 1 Mid in white, in pure platinum white, but it's not. I wouldn't consider it a two-tone colorway because it's white. It's all white. It's basically like the all-white Ultra Boost except a Jordan one. So we're gonna go a little bit slower this time and appreciate this shoe because this is a freaking clean shoe. This is, it's kind of crazy how nice of a shoe this is. I wish this was like a smoother paper. It'd go so much better with the vibe. So there it is. Can you see that? Yep. This is the triple white Jordan 1 retro. These are really, really nice. Jeez. Let's put this other one here. Set this box aside. These shoes right here were sent to me by Yes Kicks, and I really like what they did with their business proposal with me, because instead of like offering me different like shoe designs that are coming out right now or that are like popping right now, instead they just basically told me pick anything from our website and we'll just send it to you. So that's what I did. I looked through like basically every single shoe, literally everything from the Ultra Boost, which you know I'm a fan of, to the Human Races, to these. I swear they had everything, like even Off-White Converse. And I picked these out of everything on the site. So obviously I'm biased toward these because I picked these and those were like recommended to me. But like, holy cow, these are nice. The leather here is like crazy smooth and satisfying. The leather on the sides is crazy smooth and satisfying. The stitching is incredibly meticulous and like detail oriented and all that. And these are amazing shoes. And again, like I laced these up. They weren't laced. They were laced like halfway when I got them, and I laced them up completely when I got them in the mail. These are crazy. Just the way the leather overlaps on the backside of this is ridiculously smooth and clean and done to a perfect standard. It's got that nice Jordan pattern on the bottom. I'm spending way more time on these shoes than any other shoe that I unboxed today. So I'm just gonna put those to the side. Those are going to be incredibly hard to keep clean though, because I didn't know the bottoms were white on those until I received them. Or I guess until I looked at the pictures more closely. Alright, so that is basically it for the unboxing portion of this video. I'm actually going to do a little bit of B-roll at the end, I think, to kind of just show off the aesthetic glory of all those shoes. Except for maybe the 4s. The 4s, I'm still going to do B-roll of them, but I don't think they look as good or as clean as the other ones. Anyway, I do want to talk a little bit about the companies that sent me these. The Turbo Green Jordans were sent to me by Kixie.com. I've worked with them in the past. Definitely nice people to work with. Great customer support, all that. Definitely check out their website. And the Ugly Jordans, the 4s, were sent to me by a website called alltopshoes.com. And these guys, I can't really vouch for their credibility as much because this is the first time I've worked with them. Unlike Kixie, I haven't worked with them before, but from what I can tell so far, they're really nice people, really nice website. So definitely check out those shoes on that website. And last but not least, YesKicks.com. Now I like YesKicks.com because they, like I said, let me pick out what shoes I wanted to review from their site out of their entire selection. And what I really like on their site is they don't try to trick you into buying fakes or buying replicas like a couple of other sites I've worked with and no longer work with because of that. But with the YesKicks, it's super easy. You go to their site. If a shoe's labeled authentic, then it's an authentic shoe. What I got right here is an authentic shoe. You go to their website, it's labeled as an authentic shoe, and then all the reviews from people say it's an authentic shoe. But they have other shoes on their site that say perfect, and perfect means it's a perfect replica. Obviously it's not perfect, like it's not flawless, but it is a replica shoe. So definitely keep that in mind when you're shopping off YesKicks.com. But I really like YesKicks.com for that because they're not trying to trick you into buying something you don't want. Instead, they're labeling everything in a super easy, simple, consistent, coherent way. So that's definitely a perk with these guys. Alright, that's it for the unboxing part of this video. Let's get into the B-roll. All in all, I think these are all really nice shoes. The Turbo Green Jordans are definitely high top shoes, and the backs can look a little silly if you don't style them right, but the design and color of the shoes makes for a super clean shoe overall. The red and black 4s are obviously my least favorite from this unboxing, but there's a good chance the design appeals to some of you, and they don't stick out as much design-wise as the others, which is a good thing for some scenarios. Lastly, the triple white ones are crazy clean and minimal, and the height being mid is a good balance. They're definitely my favorite from this unboxing, even though they're going to be practically impossible to keep clean. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to AeriumTV before you go, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.